Hi guys, thanks again for watching. I am back with another Flash Friday, and if you couldn't tell, I'm a little lazy right now. Part of my life is being lazy. That sounds weird. But truthfully, if you watched any of my other videos, I don't have a lot of time in the morning to get ready. That's because I teach online. I teach kids in China, and I do it starting at 5:30 in the morning, East Coast time. So it's 12 hours ahead, 5:30 their time. Needless to say, I don't really want to wake up a ton earlier than I have to. And I still have to get ready because I teach and then I go directly into work. So I kind of have to do my full makeup routine. So I have come up with some really creative ways to kind of still look presentable and how I feel comfortable and do it quickly. So with that said, I am going to be teaching you one of my fail-proof ways to kind of do your brows if you're not all about like the 30-minute brow life routine. Also, I don't do that because I don't like that. Like, I don't want to look so overly done, but I also find that if I see like a picture of myself without my brows kind of done, I don't like it as much, so I do this. And I'm just going to jump in. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what I do, and I'll walk you through it. And yeah, 5 minutes or less. That's my goal each Friday. So let's just jump on in and get started. And before I go any further, please don't forget to subscribe below and like this video. And if you want, you can go watch other videos. I've got a whole playlist of Flash Fridays that I will link below. All right, let's do it. So the first thing that you're going to do is, it really doesn't matter what kind of eyebrow product you use. I have Anastasia ones, and those are just my go-to. I have tried some drugstore ones. I just don't like them as much, and these last for so long that I find like 20 whatever, however much money it is, it's kind of worth the investment. Also, if you can hear that, that is rain. It is like pouring down buckets here. But anyways, so let's get into it. First thing you need is your spoolie end of your eyebrow brush, and you're going to want to just brush your eyebrows out. You can do your eyebrows in lots of different ways. Obviously right now the kind of bushy eyebrow look is in, but this can go for either way. So once you just brush them briefly, the main thing you're going to be doing is you're just going to be doing the top of your eyebrow. You're not going to go underneath and fill in there, even though you can see that I have some sparse patches there. Don't do it. Just take the top. One of the biggest tips that I've learned is you need to kind of sit back from the mirror a little, and that's so you have perspective. So sit back, take a light handle, so the further down the brush you go, the better. And then just start doing really light brush strokes. You can do small ones. You can do the full length of your eyebrow. And you're just going to go along the edge of where your eyebrow already exists and kind of just draw a line following the shape of your eyebrow. And you can do the tail, and you can even fill in a little on the top, but you're really sticking to the top. We're going to do a little bit more. You can always brush through if you feel like you've gotten too much on it anywhere. It might look like I'm doing a lot, but I'm doing such light strokes that I'm barely touching my eyebrows. So see how this one is definitely more full? It just looks a bit kind of like more pulled together than this one. If you mess up, you can just go in with your finger, a little makeup remover. This stuff is not set in place yet. And there we have it. What I would go in with next is some kind of brow gel. I have a lot of E.L.F. ones because they're so cheap and they're really good. And you can get different kinds. I used to use the Glossier Boy Brow. But this step just kind of sets them in place. And you can even use a spoolie with hairspray, and it's going to give you the same kind of effect. And if you want to make them a little bit bushier, by all means, just start brushing up. But the main goal of this is just to show you how you can easily fill them in so you look really pulled together, but you didn't do that much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about my Flash Fridays, look for the playlist down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.